Hi, this is Arvind Sriram, currently studying in the EEE Department of College of Engineering Indi, CEG campus, Anna University, in the third year undergraduation. So, now the course was Electric Vehicle Charging Systems for EEE EV Charging Systems as a part of Non-Mudalvan scheme. So, in the course, there are a lot of fundamental related to electric vehicles. Electric vehicles are booming in all the trending scenarios, and this syllabus through this non-Mudalvan, and we have gained a lot of knowledge in the fields of power electronics, power systems, and electric vehicle battery charging, battery management, and other things. So idunala we made a lot of projects related to battery charging, SOC, and other things. So I like to thank the non-Mudalvan team for giving such a wonderful opportunity to actually improve our knowledge. Thank you.
வெளியீடு உங்கள் செய்தி மக்கள் தொடர்புத்துறை.